Dear friends, in today's session, we will see how to obtain the reduction formula for sine power nx. In equals to, let us take first integration of sine power nx dx. For this, step number 1, I will write here in equals to, same thing I will write, sine power nx. Then what I will do, I will multiply this function with sine power minus 1x and sine power 1x dx. In the second step, what I will do, since the bases are same, so powers can be added. So what I will do, I will write in integration of sine power n minus 1 x and sine power x dx. Now this is in the form of u and v. So here we can use the formula for integration of u into v. For your reference, I will write here that formula. Integration of u v dx equals to u integration v dx minus integration of d by dx of u, and we have to multiply with integration v dx. This is the formula which you have studied in the previous sessions. Now, accordingly, what I will do, I will solve this. I will write here first u integration of v. So I will write u means here sine power n minus 1 x, then integration of v dx. V means here sine x, integration of sine x, then minus, then for this I will write dx here, then minus integration and differentiation, integration and d by dx of the first function, that is u. U means here first sine power n minus 1, sine power n minus 1 x. Again integration of v dx. V means here sine x dx. This is as per this formula. Now we will simplify. I will write here sine power n minus 1 x, then integration of sine x will be minus cos x, then here is what, minus. Now we will write integration as per the previous step, then differentiation of x power n, that will be n into x power n minus 1. N minus 1 minus 1 means n minus 2. Then, but it was not the first one x only, we considered it as x. So again we have to differentiate this part, d by dx of, it is, we are using here chain rule, sin x. This, now this is over. Now integration of again sin x is what, minus cos x dx. In the next step, what I will do, I will write this minus out, minus, I will write this sine n minus 1 x, then cos x. Here this is constant, this constant I will write outside the integration. Now minus, I will write n minus 1 integration of this same thing, sine into n minus 2. Then it will be, x was missing here, so I will write x, then d by dx of sin x, it will be cos x. Here this minus also I will take it out, this minus, if I take out this minus into minus, it will be plus. Now here again the remaining will be only cos x, then dx. Now friends, now from here in the next step, there will be no change. I will repeat the same step. Minus sin power n minus 1 x cos x plus, again this thing is same, sin power n minus 2x. Cos x into cos x, here there will be change, small change only. Cos square x dx. In the next step, again I will write the same thing. Minus sin n minus 1 x cos x plus n minus 1 integration of sin n minus 2x. Cos square x can be written as 1 minus sin square x. Remaining is here dx. In the next step, I will write minus sin power n minus 1 x. In the next step, we will again write the same thing, so minus sin power n minus 1 x cos x plus this thing, we will multiply this into this and this into, like this into this and again this into this, by using this constant outside as well. How? I will write here n minus 1 integration this into 1, that will be the same thing, sine power n minus 2 x time into, then minus here. Now this first I will write dx, then minus here, then I will minus into this plus, it will be minus. Now here this thing again I will write n minus 1, then this integration. Now n minus 2 in this bases are same. If we add the powers, minus 2 plus 2 gets cancelled, then remaining will be n minus. So n minus 2 plus 2 means minus 2 plus 2 will get cancelled. The remaining will be only sine power nx. Here it will be only sine power nx dx. Now we can note one thing here. We can observe that integration of sine power nx equals to what? In. So integration sine power nx dx equals to this in. This we will use in our step. So instead, in place of this, we can write in, and the same formula if we use here, it was sine power nx dx. So we can write in. If it is sine power n minus 2x dx integration, it means it will be n minus 2. So this thing we will substitute, minus sine n minus 1 x cos x plus, I will write n minus 1, then here it will be n minus 2 whole. Now the next is minus, then here I will write n minus 1 and here n. And if the whole this thing always equals to what? In, as we started with this in. Now what I did, I shifted the previous step here. Now we will start again from here. Now what I will do, this negative part, if I bring it to left hand side, it will be positive or plus. So I will write in, this negative part comes to here plus, then I will write n minus 1 in equals to, same thing I will write, minus sin x cos x plus n minus 1 n minus 2. From these two, I will take in outside. Then in times 1, it will be in plus. In is already out, so remaining will be what? N minus 1 equals to, same thing I will write, minus sin x cos x plus n minus 1 n minus 2. Now minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled, remaining is only in into n equals to minus sin x into cos x plus n minus 1 n minus 2. This n, I will, by cross multiplication, I will shift it to the denominator. So the final thing will be minus sin x into cos x divided by this n. Here is what? Plus, same thing I will write, n minus 1 into I n minus 2 divided by this again n. In the next step, as you know, in equals to integration of sine power nx dx equals to this thing I can write minus sine x cos x divided by n plus n minus 1 divided by n into I n minus 2. This is the reduction formula for sine power nx dx. Integration sine power nx dx is equals to the whole thing.